Toyota Vets. Morales Cash.
It is good powered by World Sports Betting. It is goodtimes.co.za. It's Nigeria 1, Bafana 1 in the World Cup qualifier. It means Nigeria, in the first 3 matches of the qualifiers, they've drawn 0-0, 1-1, and 1-1 against all SADC region teams. Their first draw was against Lesotho 0-0. The second draw was against Zimbabwe 1-1. Their third draw now is against Bafana. All countries really in the same region or in the same really circumference of a country. Zimbabwe, like South Africa, Lesotho, like South Africa, and they struggled again. Not struggled, they didn't get the points, but that was really an imperious performance. Nigeria, we are still alive because they missed their opportunities. Oh my word! Well done to Bafana. Go away. Drag a point, you come back with it. Well done. At least that was something. Otherwise, I don't know how Nigeria did not score against us. I'm sure they will be demoralized. Even though they're a good team, they'll be demotivated that the first 3 matches that they've played, they didn't get a win. Bafana, they lost against Rwanda 2-0, I think. And then we won against Benin 2-1. And then we drew today. So we have 4 points. Interestingly, in the same group, Lesotho namhlanje better Zimbabwe 2-0. So Lesotho emepa they have 5 points. I think they won 1 and then drawn the other 2. Of course, it's only early stages. All of the teams now have played 3 matches. We're still going to game number 10, so it's still very early on. Bafana. Junior Kanye, what did you make of the game, sir? Yes, sir.
Justice.
Shayincaza
kaTupac Shakur.
No
Shayincaza isitasam.
No pro kid.
Ona le ulindela nemkhizi.
Yes, sir.
Ana le ulinde. Petitas uthi Tupac elinda mkhizi.
Yes, sir.
Bulisa uBenedicto Villa.
Yes, so and so.
Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting it. TV fighting no one. Try to fix South African football. I want a game.
Yes.
Yeah. I need to be honest, going to the game. In Nigeria, Niaz has never won 3 games in a row.
Yeah, but qualifier.
Yeah, but compliment to Finidi to assemble the squad. The Nigeria I watch Minangi AFCON Nale is totally different. They quality fit. Yeah. Today I think he came in. I think first half our coach came to this game to Uglandi point in Kulmang South African coach. Coach I understand you're like 3 speedy players, which is Renas, Pesitao, Makwana. 3 players that they playing a pace high, and when we've got Uyaya and Umkwena, I think Umkwena was in front of Uyaya today, and Begatala more or less box to box, being texted too much. Yeah, I think first half, coach create my chances about 3 chances of 4. Yeah, my chances whereby South Africa should have buried. Yabo, Kona lil futhi lagam daw. Cause in Nigeria betlala nga 3
yeah.
Nigeria came to this game wanting to win. They played 3-4-3. Namhlanje badlala 3-4-3. At the back, they look loose, especially first half tactically not on. Cause Urenas did very well. Stretcher their defense ngama runs first half. It's just that bekumele ke Umkwena na Makwala. Batholakala boxing, they play badlalela in too much. We should be badlala too wide. If they badlala nearer to him, okanye maybe come nearer to him in front of him, they're going to score goals. But now badlala ngeline, so is good baba mark. Ngoba le bantu abayitire the back, bebe ba stretcha kamnandi uRenas ngala run, and then abadlalisi uthola ba receive ibhola wide. They can't deal nge-1 on 1. Angazi utawo mina ukuthi uPesitao lobe ngimbukela mina previous ngikhuluma
he also got, even in the second half, he got a huge opportunity.
Yeah, when he was at Sundowns, Pesi could deal nge-1v1. Umfana ngazi ungena uyini. Or now Pesi, he can't take somebody on. Decision making yakhe njengale bhola receiver lapha njama ukhashaza uShayinet.
That was an open net.
Yeah, it's open net. So first half I think the coach is ngeplan ukuthi we're gonna go with speed. Labantu abayitring yanthemba Renas, Pesitao, Makwana, you're gonna so behind the defense in Nigeria, those guys, they are tall, they are slow. Ubone the way go AFCON bebadlala ngakhona, and we're gonna catch them definitely at the speed stage. But now, check is South Africa decision making, they were wrong. I mean, la kutholakala umdawo khona kula kuphela kumele ngabe kutholakala uPesitao. Bengeke uPesitao aphase umdawo. Kumele ngabe umdawo uphase uPesitao because of bebangakwazi ukudlala off the ball. Yes, coach babekile boyi-3 lapha, but they can't make a space for them. Steph ngikhuluma ngoPace Tau naye uMakwana, very disappointed ngabo boyi-2 mina uMakwana noPace. Yes, uReynolds, I can't fault him, did very well kulama pockets lawa. Why Nigeria ku-stretch le defense, but the two le 1v1 you can't deal, at least to combine again okanye decision making phambi kwepali. Very disappointed ngabo boyi-2. And I think Mkwena first half ubonakele first 20 minutes. After that, none other than that, Mkwena never show up. I think uRulani make a big blunder ukuthi angamdlalisi Mkwena kuma game about 4. Mangamcheck match fitness emshayile game ina today.
Yeah, he got tired in the
Yeah,
second half.
match fitness was off. So in Nigeria what they did, Nigeria basebenzisa side like left. First half overload the side like left, which is Lukman. Very dangerous no number 12. Lukman. When he got the ball, very skillful player. He decides. Kusho ukuthi beka decide kumndawo ukuthi either ngiyokufaka eboxini ngiyozigorela or ngena phakathi ngokufaka phakathi. Uyanderstand do ukuthi uLukman first half it didn't get the support. Ngikhuluma ngemidfield yakhe bengamsupport. Ngikhuluma ngomuntu odlala la in the central. Or in most bekalanda ibhola at the back kube uyo liphasa mhlamba ibhola kube nzima ukuthi ajoin. Lo mthetho lo makabamba ibhola there was no support. Always you look predictable kumndawo and umndawo udilile ngaye first half. Do number 12 bekeza mara bekungasi dangerous match. Second half balance ama side. Mawunga checka ilento bengisho ukuthi so ngithi once they can balance side igame izoba stretch. Ngikhulumela side indethu. Kuzoba easy ukuthi these guys they get chances ba create ama chances. But side la right bafaka uChikwezi. Chikwezi, both these people right and left, they can take people on. They can play 1-2. They can go inside. Not ukuthi bahlale line in, go inside. First goal labo manga check at the 60 something second. But le ball they wide. Quickly I think by change speed sabo, and then there was Obi pass central, the strikers are 10 a goal. So always, I think these guys, they confuse them. The coach Hugo Pros, when they go wide, they trick you, mabaya wide. They want the spaces central. And almost got it. Second half, I think Bastreshega Kul they created so many chances. Ngala short pass, especially central. They go wide, babu isipola quick. Mabaya la central, tolu gap. Tina says Chegilene, we're tired. I'm a players in South Africa. When you look at between them match fitness in Nigeria Nati, they are far superior in match fitness. So they created so many chances. They were better than us. It's just that they're unfortunate not to get goals. Not one goal, about 3 or 4 goals they're supposed to score second half in Nigeria.
Yeah, were you happy with the maturity of South Africa in terms of they were not all over the place, the way that every man was behind the ball and they knew when to attack? What did you like about South Africa?
Yeah, the standard definitely shows the Kulmanjinga standard, honestly, is not the same. It shows it was not the same, especially second half. But what I love most, South Africa got the goal, individual brilliance from Mthemba.
Beautiful goal.
Individual brilliance from Mthemba. Good pass from Uyaya, Lumchitus Chole. But none other than Tina Beslanga pitches. Why is it like my mistake when Nigeria? Tina, we didn't. Besingadlala department. We didn't always play sideways backwards. Siyasabu kuhlala ibhola central. And if Mkwena akakwenzi lokho nobody yaya can't play central. Lile bhola adlalile lila kamshishi. But in most the boy looks good, akalose ibhola. But manga check ama passes wakhe sideways, backwards, and enye into it's a bit slow.
Yeah, recovery.
Recovery is slow. But Mkwena is supposed to help him.
Yeah.
Because
if he really struggled second half. In terms of marking, tracking back,
ngikhalela yona lento ukuthi uRulane ukungamdlalisi 4 game ku Sundowns nange final imkhostile. If we check nje level of fitness yakhe is not
I
on.
think they mentioned something about injury. I don't know if I'm remembering correctly, but there was an injury towards the end of the season ku Mukwana, uTebogo Mukwana.
Yeah,
maybe it's a reason
and
why
then he came back started benching.
Yeah.
I think 2 games khona enye game angamdlalanga at all ebenchini enye wamfaka, and then he came almost scored against the TS Galaxy. Le finally all struggle right, injury imlimazile, but coach always obvious kunama rumor nje ngayo Mkwena if you had a bit ngaye obvious
between the contract situation.
Yes. So I think imkhostile coach na Hugo process second half. So Kulego, truly speaking, South Africa, mindset, they did very well in terms of fighting. It's not easy to go in Nigeria.
Yeah, for sure.
I
was saying that it's all just
mindset.
to get into that.
Mindset.
I was saying 15 years back, South Africa beat Nigeria within 30 minutes, it's 2-0 or 3-0 down. I think recently, even at AFCON, we didn't outplay Nigeria. Nigeria is always going to be superior in terms of players. They have players all over the world, players playing all over Europe, Europa League final, Hedrick Ekoro, Ademola Lookman. So they always have better players than us. But what is different this time than 15 years back, 10 years back, even a generation yabutso, is that we do go to Nigeria, maybe even if we get a draw now, Aksena fear factor. They somehow do think we can go there, even get. I remember Upesita under Stuart Beck scored 2 goals. Nalapo, it was every man behind the ball. We scored 2 goals in Nigeria. Against Usheiks Mashaba, Tukelo Randia scored 2 goals. We were leading 2-0, and then they came back 2-2. There is a recent pattern where I lose a fear factor in Nigeria. Not to Guti, we're playing better than them. Obviously, they have more talented players. But when you compare 15 years back, we always just used to go there and we lose a game 2-0, 2-1, sometimes 4-0, even go AFCON. So that is a positive thing about this current generation. There is no fear factor in Nigeria. There's some plan.
I don't think it's a plan. It's Sundowns. Compliment for them to play Champions League. When you check players that they're playing, even AFCON, how many? About 7 to 8 players ukudlala Champions League. Mindset ye Sundowns players bomkwena di bekumshishi composure angeke itiplele DStv Premiership edlala ku DStv Premiership, that's all. Kule standard list abe compose ngale ndlela to dribble 2 players, compose and pick a sports goal. So it goes in experience. Le nto le experience international. This is a Nigeria top class high profile players individual as well and as a team. You understand ngule. So Sundowns, it plays a very big role ukudlala Champions League. Abantu mhlambe they will say mhlambe wala lento engikhuluma izwakala goalkeeper Ronwen Williams play le Sundowns. Umdawu play le Sundowns, Umdiba play le Sundowns, Mvala play le Sundowns, Mkwena play le Sundowns. Pesitaw at some stage we play le Sundowns. You understand? So ukuthi nama ngisho nange AFCON most ke bekudlala Sundowns. So namanje namhlanje 6 players that they are Sundowns players. So le nto le ushuthi core those players they playing Nabo Raja Casablanca, TP Mazembe, Al Ahly, they play. Yabo Petro. So you experience we are Sundowns no midlala international ngikhuluma away.
Yeah, they play this time.
They're not playing to go at
They don't go to defend.
Yabo. So in South African football. I mean kuleko true. Lento ngikhuluma yakusijoke even Spain must win the 2010 World Cup. Most of the players which was Barcelona about winning Champions League in Real Madrid. Now German might win in 2014 but we Bayern in most. So yeah, ikhonje itlaphe Sundowns just night. Okay, compliment to Hugo Broos for picking those players. Do I figure what kind of stubborn what mean I will never see.
Yeah, Pesita obviously. Tembazwane was too old.
Yeah.
Begashuguti is too old, and I remember there were people shooting videos saying Sundowns are incredible Bafana Ngaluto. Even the whole South Africa actually, they were not happy about Sundowns players. Sifuna badlali be-Chiefs bapikwa nabo ngoba Sundowns are seizing Ngaluto. But I think that there is change now. People are starting to see ukuthi it is kind of helping them. But I kind of like that they've changed because I've always been a fan of this national team Bafana since I was 5 years old, and I know historically that Nigeria is really a difficult team for us. It's good to see that they can go there. I think tonight it's 1-1 because Nigeria Korang. Like it's just 1-1 because they were so good. But it's good to see them visiting Nigeria with all the challenges, getting 1 point.
South Africa Bafana. I'm very happy kuleko true. Mele compliment abachita nge-mindset. It's not easy. Nigeria mfethu. Mawuzodlala Nigeria fans. As we show these players badlala Europe.
Yeah.
So compliment to Bafana ngokuthi babambelele. Yabona? They were lucky, especially second half supposed to concede. Yeah, but mindset you hold on. Compliment to Bachita babuyena point. Mele sifanike lo. There's a lot of job to be done. I'm sure nabafundile it's a good experience for players, but nyaba compliment ukuthi bathole ne goal. You understand? At some point, kule game corner
la scored 2 goals or 3 goals.
Yabona na upesita na ilapana we got a chance bona.
Yeah.
Yabo as experienced player just have extra touch and score. Ile nto engihlala ngokutshela ngayo ngama junior national team kuleko. Yabona ukuthi ama player thola ukuthi umuntu quality. Yabona you just jump and go to the senior side. Lama junior international very vital le ukuthi I status jump. These guys into banqeda ukudlala bana 20 under 23 inkhuluma international. When you go to Europe ke yisiphi stages osaba. So compliment, it was a nice game but githi bekungaba in the studio because of this game.
There you go. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to all of our fans as well for always following us. Sometimes some of these matches at AFCON, they used to end at 2 a.m. Someone was telling me, actually, I met someone this week, telling me ukuthi yazi besenibuka ngabo 3 ebusuku nesitshela ukuthi isikhathi it's 2 a.m. So we're thankful for all of our supporters and our followers as well. Yeah, well done to Bafana Bafana. Commiserations really to Nigeria. They should have won this game actually. But thanks to them for missing those opportunities. It is KTV, it is Good Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.